This episode is sponsored by 𝗬𝗿𝗄𝗋𝗃.com, where you can get amazing gourmet foods from a collection curated from Greece, France, Spain, and the United States. From premium olive oil to spreads, dips, sauces, and even sweet items such as jams. So check them out at 𝗬𝗿𝗄𝗋𝗃.com and bring the world home to your kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Journey with Josh. I'm Josh. As you know, this video is sponsored by 𝗬𝗿𝗄𝗋𝗃.com, and you can get 10% off by using the coupon code Journey with Josh. Jeff and Carlos always have amazing items for you to check out. So go to their website, check out the items, and you can even get 10% off your purchase by using that coupon code. I'm going to be using olive oil, the extra virgin olive oil from 𝗬𝗿𝗄𝗋𝗃. It is a very high grade olive oil, so highly recommend it. I will put the link down into the description so you know exactly what I'm using. So today we are going to make a dish called Cacio e Pepe pasta. Cacio e Pepe pasta. I'm not Italian, so it's difficult for me to pronounce that stuff. But this is one of the easiest Italian dishes you will ever make. It is pasta and cheese and pepper. So let's get started because it happens really quick. Okay y'all, so all I've got going on right now is I am boiling my water to cook my spaghetti. Spaghetti's going to cook about, 11 minutes. So in 11 minutes we'll be done. Need to put a little bit of salt in my water. Gonna put some salt in my water, and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the water. I'm gonna wait for this to boil, and then I'm gonna add my spaghetti. We're gonna be using about 12 ounces. This right here is a 16-ounce pack, so almost a pound. Okay. So as soon as this begins to boil, we're going to add our spaghetti, and it's almost there right now. Let's see. And I'm just going to put my spaghetti in here. And this is going to boil our spaghetti. Start my timer. I'll probably do 15 minutes total, because this right here has to cook down to where my spaghetti goes into the pot. I'm using thick spaghetti. Again, I know that all of my Italian friends are dying laughing at me trying to cook Italian food, but you know what? As long as I like it, it's my business. Almost there. Now this right here is taking about a minute. To do. There we go. This is taking now about a minute and a half. So now that we got our spaghetti covered by the water, we're going to let that boil for about 11 minutes or so. Yeah, let me turn it down just a little bit. Now this happens really quick. Okay guys, so while that's cooking, I'm going to heat up 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to that. go. Now, once this right here starts to get melted and starts to sizzle, I'm going to add my pepper to it, and I'm going to roast my pepper in that. Stir my pasta right now. Okay, so once that starts to sizzle, we're going to put in our two tablespoons of coarsely ground pepper. And we're going to toast it in that butter for just a few minutes. You're going to toast this for about a minute, stirring. I am done. Not even a minute. Now we've got about 7 more minutes on our pasta and then we'll be done. Okay, y'all, you can see the steam. Our pasta is almost done. I'm going to reserve about a cup of the liquid. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to put my pepper mixture into my bowl. I'm going to add in my pasta. Just going to flip this around a little bit. Just going to flip it around, mix it really well. I'm going to add in some cheese. A little bit of that water that I reserved. And I'm going to continue tossing. More of the cheese. Now you can also just use Parmesan cheese for this, grated Parmesan. I chose to go a little bit better. The pecorino cheese melts really, really well into like a really good buttery cheese, melty cheese, gooey, gooey, gooey. Almost done. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. Okay, y'all. The only thing left to do is plate. That's how easy this is. Okay, y'all, so this dish is done. We have our eggplant involtini with ricotta and scallions, and we have our cacio e pepe pasta, and we're ready to go. So let's plate this. I'm so messy. We've got our appetizers done. Now let's plate the main dish. Okay, y'all, here we go. Look at this. And y'all, we are done. Thank you again, guys, for joining me on this video, bringing Italy back home to me. It's one of my favorite countries and some of my favorite food. Thank you again to 𝗬𝗿𝗃𝗃 for providing some of the products and sponsoring the videos. They're delicious, and don't forget to use that coupon code Journey with Josh to get 10% off on their site. If you liked the video, click on that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. Again, thank you for joining me. Prego.